My name is Daria, and I'm from Russia. 6 years ago, I came to China with a fascination for Eastern culture. I majored in Oriental Studies, and during my years living in Huli district, my favorite thing has always been wandering through its streets and alleys. In corners that locals might overlook, there are many artistic treasures I've never seen before.
Wow, 这些非遗太厉害了!
And there is one type of intangible cultural heritage that hides atop upturned eaves, silently showcasing wonderful scenes, like the 8 immortals crossing the sea or 2 dragons playing with the pearl. I follow its trail all the way here. It is sad that in ancient times there were many broken porcelain pieces near kilns. Clever artisans collected these shards and inlaid them onto buildings as decorations like dragons, phoenixes, flowers, and birds. This unique decorative art is called cut porcelain carving.
Hi, 达利亚，我给你介绍一下我们闽南特有的剪瓷雕。剪瓷雕在我们闽南又叫剪料，它主要分为剪、塑、捻，就是把我们所需要的瓷碗剪成我们所需要的形状。塑就是塑成胚体，捻就是把我们剪好的瓷片贴在上面。首先将碗敲成脆片，然后剪出想要的形状，然后在胚体上涂上白灰做粘合剂，贴上瓷片。
哦，这比拼图难多了。
是。
老师的手法好娴熟，这门技艺您学了多久？
我10几岁就跟着我父亲学习剪瓷雕，厦门湖里区仙叶山土地公庙，还有豪沙宫、凤山庵都是我们的作品。
那老师现在这门技艺的传承情况如何呢？
我们有收一些学员，一直跟着我们在学习。定期举办非遗走进校园的活动，设计一些文创作品、剪瓷料材料包。我觉得作为一个非遗传承人，宣扬传承非遗是我的责任和使命。
Cut porcelain carving teaches us that true beauty lies in the courage to constantly break and rebuild. These once broken porcelain pieces are given new life in the hands of artisans. Each generation carries on this craft in their own way, allowing the Asian soul to blossom anew in Huli in the new era.
狐狸非遗了不起，该你来试试了。